with 57% of data breaches attributed to poor patch management. The importance of maintaining a proper patch management life cycle is imperative to the cybersecurity of your company. The life cycle of patch management can be broken out into 10 steps. Step 1. Discovery. Having a good understanding of your devices, hardware systems, operating systems, and third-party applications will give your IT professional a comprehensive network inventory. Step 2. Categorize and prioritize. With this step you will segment your users and systems by risk level and priority. You want to prioritize the largest threats to your IT infrastructure. Step 3. Patch management policy creation. Patching your devices ensures that your users are up to date with current changes in their code and data, mitigating security vulnerabilities. After prioritizing which users and systems require the most maintenance, create a schedule for patching priority users and business-critical hardware. Step 4. Patch monitoring. Because patching can be time-consuming, it is vital that your team maintains a catalog of patched systems. Each vendor comes out with patch releases on varying schedules, so creating an organized patch release tracking system can allow you to alert your team of incoming updates, inevitably saving you time and money. Step 5. Patch testing. To avoid patch issues, it is recommended to roll your patches out on a non-production environment. This helps you test the patch's viability and reduce the chances of technological failures, security breaches, and system failures that can come along with deploying new patches. Step 6. Configuration. Once patches have been tested, documentation needs to be created to take note of the changes and results that new patches create, helping you quickly troubleshoot any unintended errors or bugs that come along with these updates. Step 7. Patch rollout. Now that your team has validated patches, it is time to follow your schedule laid out in Step 3 to deploy the patches on a schedule that fits your team's needs. Step 8. Patch auditing. After rolling out your patches, check in with end users to collect feedback. Step 9. Reporting. Preparing a monthly patch compliance report gives visibility into the success and pain points in your patch management. This gives stakeholders a good view of the overall success in your deployment. Step 10. Review, optimize, repeat. Review your reporting and look for systems that are reaching their end of life. Review these policies quarterly and revise as needed. If you have questions about what a proper patch management lifecycle can provide for your company, visit itsupportguys.com.